7 Enticing health benefits of chia seeds. Although chia seeds are relatively small, they are filled with nutrients that can help improve a person's health. They were a staple in the diets of the ancient Maya and Aztec tribes. Chia seeds are filled with nutrients that can help improve a person's health, such as antioxidants, minerals, and omega-3 fatty acids. They can also support strong bones and blood sugar management. Aside from being nutritious, they can also be used in various recipes. Here are 7 health benefits of chia seeds, all supported by science. 1. Highly nutritious. Chia seeds are tiny seeds from the plant known as Salvia hispanica L. They're native to Central America. During the ancient Maya and Aztec civilizations, the seeds were used in their diets for various purposes, such as religious rituals and medicines. Today, people around the world are enjoying the seeds. Ancient civilizations viewed chia seeds as highly nutritious, a belief that's backed by modern science. In fact, just 1 ounce, 28 grams or 2 tablespoons, of chia seeds contains calories, 138. Protein, 4.7 grams. Fat, 8.7 grams. Carbs, 11.9 grams. Fiber, 9.8 grams. Calcium, 14% of the DV. Iron, 12% of the DV. Magnesium, 23% of the DV. Phosphorus, 20% of the DV. Zinc, 12% of the DV. Alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, 5 grams. Vitamin B1, thiamine, 15% of the DV. Vitamin B3, niacin, 16% of the DV. This nutritional profile is particularly impressive considering that it's for just a single serving of about 2 tablespoons. 2. Loaded with antioxidants. Chia seeds are also an excellent source of antioxidants. Not only are they filled with nutrients that can help improve a person's health, they also contain important antioxidants that can protect against free radicals. For example, free radical damage contributes to aging and diseases like cancer. Some of the key antioxidants found in the seeds include chlorogenic acid, quercetin, myricetin, camphorol, and caffeic acid. These can help protect the liver and heart. For example, chlorogenic acid may help lower blood pressure, while caffeic acid has anti-inflammatory effects. 3. May support weight loss. The fiber and protein in chia seeds may benefit those trying to lose weight. Chia seeds are also filled with dietary fiber, which is about 10 grams. This means that they're about 35% fiber by weight. Although there's currently not enough evidence supporting the link between fiber and weight loss, some studies suggest that it can help prevent obesity and overweight. Additionally, the protein in chia seeds could help reduce appetite and food intake. One study in 24 participants found that eating 0.33 ounces, 7 grams, or 0.5 ounces, 14 grams, of chia seeds mixed with yogurt for breakfast increased feelings of fullness and reduced food intake in the short term compared with eating chia-free yogurt. Even so, studies examining the effectiveness of chia seeds for weight loss have observed mixed results. In a 2009 study, 90 overweight individuals were instructed to consume 50 grams of chia seed supplements daily for 12 weeks. The results of the study show that it did not affect body weight or health markers like blood pressure and inflammation markers. A similar study was conducted on 77 overweight individuals with type 2 diabetes and obesity. After 6 months, those who took the supplements lost more weight than those who took a placebo. Although it's unlikely that adding chia seeds to your diet will lead to weight loss, it can be beneficial to supplement a healthy diet with these seeds. 4. May lower your risk of heart disease. Given that chia seeds are high in fiber and omega-3s, consuming them may reduce your risk of heart disease. Chia seeds are also filled with soluble fiber, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels in the blood. This can reduce the risk of heart disease. Consuming ALA, the omega-3 fatty acid in chia seeds, has also been linked to decreased heart disease risk. Still, studies specifically examining the connection between chia seeds and heart health have had inconclusive results. Some rat studies have shown that chia seeds can lower certain heart disease risk factors, including high triglyceride and oxidative stress levels. A few human studies found that chia seed supplements significantly reduced blood pressure in people with hypertension or high blood pressure, which is a strong risk factor for heart disease. Overall, chia seeds may benefit heart health, but more research is needed. 5. Contain many important bone nutrients. Chia seeds are high in several nutrients that are important for bone health, including calcium, phosphorus, magnesium. According to some studies, getting enough nutrients is very important for maintaining a healthy bone mineral density. In addition, ALA in chia seeds may play a role in bone health. Observational studies have found that consuming this nutrient could also be associated with increased bone mineral density. Therefore, it's possible that regularly eating chia seeds could help keep your bones strong. A study conducted on rats revealed that regular consumption of chia seeds for 13 months significantly increased their bone mineral content. The authors concluded that the nutrients found in these seeds could contribute to this benefit. Although animal studies have supported the idea that regular consumption of chia seeds can improve bone mineral content, more human studies are needed to confirm this. 6. May reduce blood sugar levels. Chia seeds are known to contain various compounds that can help lower blood sugar levels. They also contain soluble fiber, which can help lower blood sugar levels. High blood sugar levels are known to increase the risk of various health conditions, such as heart disease. People with diabetes are more prone to experiencing these conditions if their blood sugar levels are consistently high. Studies conducted on animals suggest that regular consumption of chia seeds can improve the sensitivity of insulin in people. This could help lower their blood sugar levels after meals. Research in humans is sparse, but some older studies have shown promising results. In particular, older research from 2010 and 2013 suggests that eating bread containing chia seeds helps lower post-meal rises in blood sugar among healthy adults, compared with eating bread without chia seeds. Nevertheless, more research is needed to learn more about the connection between these nutritious seeds and blood sugar regulation. 7. Easy to incorporate into your diet. Chia seeds are very easy to incorporate into your diet, as they taste bland. They can be used to add various healthy and nutritious food items to your diet. You don't need to grind, cook, or otherwise prepare them, making them a handy addition to recipes. They can be eaten raw, soaked in juice, or added to oatmeal, pudding, smoothies, and baked goods. You can also sprinkle them on top of cereal, yogurt, vegetables, or rice dishes. Given their ability to absorb water and fat, you can use them to thicken sauces and as an egg substitute. Although the seeds are well tolerated, you might experience some side effects if you consume a lot of them. These include bloating or diarrhea if you're not used to eating a lot of fiber. The recommended daily dosage of chia seeds is 0.7 ounces, 20 grams. To avoid experiencing any digestive side effects, consume plenty of water. The bottom line: chia seeds are not only rich in minerals, omega-3 fat, antioxidants, and fiber but also easy to prepare. Studies suggest that eating chia seeds can help lower one's risk of heart disease and weight loss. More research is needed to establish the exact effects of chia seeds on human health. If you want to reap the possible benefits of chia seeds, consider incorporating them into your diet. They're a great addition to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, baked goods, and more.